An act of bravery. There was a jeep on the road in front of a shop. This is strange, Shankar thought. I must find out more. He got off his bicycle and hid it behind a big tree. The men went back to the shop and again came out through the open door. They were carrying another bag to the jeep. One of them whispered to the other, "Ah, these pearls will get us a lot of money. We can share it equally." At once Shankar knew that they were thieves. He was a little afraid. His heart began to beat fast. He was worried. The thieves again went back to bring the third bag. Shankar immediately ran to the jeep and let out the air from all the tires. After that, he got onto his bicycle and cycled at top speed to the nearby police station. He told the police inspector about the thieves. He added, "I have let out the air from the tires of their jeep." "Very good," said the inspector. "You are a brave boy. We will go there and at once and catch the thieves." "You can come with us if you like." The police at once rushed to the spot and the thieves were caught.